Alright, what's up, guys? Tuesday the 5th. And for those of you that follow me on Twitter, Taylor_Horton24, I tweeted out a short on the NQ last night, and that all worked out pretty good. So some decent selling came through. We've got Tesla down 4%, Microsoft down 3%, Apple down about 3%, Amazon and the QQQ down about 2%, Meta down 1.5%, the S&P's down 1%, and then Nvidia and SMCI are green. Because why not? And then the other thing I want to show you here would be the economic calendar. And your favorite old man, Jerome Powell, testifying to Congress at 10 o'clock tomorrow and again on Thursday. So with that being said, I don't want to speculate too much in terms of, are we going to get a huge rally from here? Are we at the beginning of a pullback? What I will show you are a couple things on smaller time frames. And we can look at the futures. All of this applies to the SPX as well. But on the futures, all right, one level I'll give you will be your 21 EMA. Right around 5040-ish, and the other level will be 5100. All right, and then the clarity. The clarity will come from your lower time frames. So on the 1 hour chart, we have a big 3 score of -6. We've got sell signals, we've got broken structure, we are below the trailing stop, under 5100. The edge does favor the bears. All right, even though it's a bull market, when the weekly chart is overbought, and then you're getting 1 hour, 2 hour, 30-minute sell signals, could be room for a bit more downside. So under 5100, the bears have got the edge, and they could take it as low as 5040. If they can get it back above that 51, try to stabilize things and then get some lower time frame buy signals, they might blast it right back towards those highs. But for now, we are south of that 51, and I think you want to be a bit cautious on your longs. And then aside from that, we came into today with a few swing trades, one of which worked and one did not. So the one that did not work was Microsoft. And as far as the management, pretty simple. The reasons we took the trade to begin with, they all disappeared. It broke under its 21 EMA. We lost our daily squeeze slingshot signal. We lost our lower time frame buy signals. A great question to ask yourself, when you're trying to make trade decisions, if I didn't already have the trade, based on the current setup, based on the signals and the structure, would I take it again right here, right now? Is this still my A+ setup? This morning, the answer was no. So we cut it off and we moved on to the next one. So we lost about 25% on that trade, and then the one that did work was BAC. And we took our profits right near the high of day. A really clean squeeze setup. You had the original slingshot signals. You then got the official buy signals. You had a 4-hour squeeze, a 2-hour squeeze, and off she went. We lost 25% on Microsoft, and we made about 75-80% here on BAC. Classic stuff, right? Keep your losses small, and make sure your winners are bigger than the losses. So a couple swing trades there, and then again for tomorrow, I think you'll find your clarity on your lower time frames. Keep an eye here on the futures. Keep an even closer eye on that 5100 level. If they can't pop it back above, could be a bit more room for a flush down towards that 21 EMA at 5040. All right, y'all, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Adios.